Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Windows Security and running a targeted scan. This finds active threats fast. Once done, switch to full scan for deeper file-level checks because some malware hides in archives and system folders. If you suspect ransomware, disconnect from the network to stop data encryption spread, then collect any alert messages and file names. Make sure to note the detected item name. This helps later lookups or removal tools. Keep file history off while you investigate to avoid backing up infected files. You quarantine every detected item immediately. That isolates the threat and prevents execution. Next, run Microsoft Defender offline. This boots a clean environment to remove stubborn rootkits that run with Windows. Once offline removal finishes, review Windows security history for any files skipped. Delete or submit them for analysis. If threats remain, run a reputable second opinion scanner like Malwarebytes or ESET Online, because different engines catch different signatures. Make sure to reboot after each major. You finish by running one more full scan to confirm the system is clean. This verifies no residual threats remain. Once clear, restore only quarantined files you've verified as safe. Otherwise, permanently remove them and restore backups from a clean source. If the machine still shows symptoms, slow performance, unexpected pop-ups, or blocked updates, reboot into safe mode and repeat scans, or use specialized removal tools, because many malware types can hide from normal mode. Key tip: keep system and antivirus definitions updated to prevent reinfection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.